during that funnel, there are different messages for different people at different times. And the trick is to put the right message in front of the right person at the right time as to where they are. Does that make sense?
Yeah. So top of funnel, what message? An example, middle funnel, bottom. So when we say the right message, my brain starts going, oh, so many messages. Give
Sure.
the guys an example of a top of funnel message, a middle of funnel message, and a bottom of funnel. For instance, I thought that a top of funnel would be, hey, let's find out a little bit more, have a little bit something for free or whatever it may be. Middle is nurturing. Show them, teach them that you're an expert. You know your stuff, and you've got some track record. Bottom of funnel, do you want to buy?
Absolutely. Sure.
Could you give us some examples of that?
Well, a top of funnel, it might be losing weight is easier than you thought, or and it could be a simple lead magnet. Hey, join our free webinar. Download our free cheat sheet, our resource guide, things like that. The middle of funnel, they're learning more about you. You may not know that in order to solve this problem, you really need this. We're the only people that do it. What do you call that? Inking. And bottom of funnel, gee, we've got this special offer. We've got this 6-week program about to start, blah, blah, blah. So that there are different messages at different stages in the funnel versus come and buy a membership, saying the same message to everybody.